Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ragi pudding. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of ragi flour and 1 cup of milk, which can be dairy or a plant-based alternative. Next, decide on your sweetener. Jaggery or sugar works well. Adjust to your preference. Finally, consider adding a pinch of cardamom powder or some chopped nuts for extra flavor and texture. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious and nutritious treat. Now let's get cooking. In a small bowl, combine your ragi flour with just a little cold milk, stirring until you have a smooth, lump-free paste. This step is crucial for preventing lumps later. Then, gently heat the rest of your milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it's warm but not boiling. Slowly pour the ragi paste into the warm milk, whisking continuously to ensure everything blends perfectly. Keep stirring to avoid sticking. As your pudding begins to warm, it's time to add the sweetness. Stir in your jaggery or sugar, adjusting the amount to suit your taste. Keep stirring the mixture over medium-low heat. You'll notice it gradually thickening, transforming into a creamy pudding. This process usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. The pudding is ready when it coats the back of a spoon and has a smooth, rich texture. Don't stop stirring. Once your ragi pudding reaches the perfect consistency, remove it from the heat. Now is the ideal moment to stir in any additional flavorings, like a dash of cardamom or a sprinkle of chopped almonds, for that extra special touch. You can enjoy this nutritious pudding warm, which is wonderfully comforting, or chill it for a refreshing dessert. It's a versatile and healthy option for any time of day. Be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.